في هذا الكون الواسع كانت هناك نقطة. كانت هذه النقطة ساكنة في مكانها على دفتر أبيض منذ عشرات السنين. وفي يوم من الأيام قررت أن تتحرك من مكانها، فبدأت تمشي ورسمت خطاً مستقيماً. My name is Gulnar Hajo and I'm an author and illustrator for the children books. And I'm from Syria. My roots is Kurdish. I have two girls. One she is 14 and the other is 9. And they are studying in Syrian school, private Syrian school. And also they had a lot of activities. They draw, they play music, piano and guitar. And they have friends. They are happy. يا إلهي أريد أن أضحك. ما عاد قدرت تضحك. أريد أن أتكلم. أريد أن أركض. أريد أن أحضن أمي وأبي. We had a publishing house for children named Bright Fingers, and I was working as an author and illustrator. But after the revolution, the situation became more difficult, and we are against the regime, so it was very, very hard to stay. So we decided to go out. We have two girls, and we decided to continue existing. So we decided to move out of Syria in 2012. Then we moved first to Jordan, and after that we came here to Istanbul, and it was hard 2 years, but we survived. We started and continue our works as publishing house. إذا شفت كوساية بخاف بنقز. Actually, I wrote and illustrated more than 20 books for children, and also I had to say I was very happy because I won a prize 2 months ago. Yes, it was a book published by Bright Fingers Publishing House, and is awarded for best illustration, and it is Etisalat Award, which is the biggest Arabic award for children literature. I have two periods. I can make it before revolution in Syria and after. Before I wrote more books about psychological issues with children. As example, I have books which speak about the feelings of the children. But after the revolution, and there's a lot of death in Syria, so I discovered that it is most important to write about some colorful things more. So I'm writing and I'm illustrating books with a lot more of happiness, more of imagination, more colorful books. مين بيحب الرسم مثل ميرا؟ تحبوا الرسم؟ And also I make workshops for the kids, story reading and drawing workshops. I'm so grateful, thankful, because the children, when they came here, they are happy. They feel peace, they feel happiness, they feel normal kids, and we had fun, all of us. There's a lot of different of the children, but in this place, all are the same, and me as well. We are all the same. إنه الرسم يكون على الطرف اليساري، عشان لما نجمع الكتاب نفتح من اليمين لليسار نشوف الرسم هون، لأنه هدول حنجمعهم مع بعض الرسمات ونعمل كتاب. لكي أطير مثلاً؟ لأن مشان تطيري بدك تكوني فراشة ولا أنتِ ليش بدك تكوني؟ شو كان حلمك؟ نجمة ليش بدك تصيري نجمة؟ مشان تلمعي بالفضاء. هلا مبدئيا كل واحد منا رح يرسم على الطرف اليساري، أنتِ شمس. لا حدا يخربط على هذا الطرف، تمام؟ We had Syrian children, basically, in pages, but we had also Turkish children which come from the neighborhood. Actually, this place, it is a chance for Turkish children and Arabic children to stay together and spend some time together. It has benefit for Syrian children and also for Turkish, because they can use and to be live together. It is very good for them. And all the children looks happy. whatever its national is. Yes. Yes. Now we will finish.
عم تعملي كتاب؟
عم نعمله الكتاب. شوفي شلون عم نلزقنا كل الورق مع بعضهم.
كاتب ورسام وجبنا وراء
وراء، بس بدل ما نطبع على الطابعة الكبيرة we make this books. Yes. هلا شوفوا شلون صار عنا الكتاب. صح؟ ايه. هلا بدنا نحط الكفر. We will put the last dream. What was your dream? سعد's dreams was to be a fruit. Fruits. شو هي الفواكه اللي انت بتحبهم كده؟
عنب
عنب يعني
وياس
grapes وابل وبنانا. Nice dream. I will eat you. رح اكلك. I'm in love with Istanbul. I love Istanbul. يعني if I forget that I am forced to leave my country, if I came by my choice, it's great. It is a great city for me. So Istanbul is, there's a lot of similar to Damascus, but I hope nobody to try to leave his home. Because I didn't know before this feeling. It's very hard. You leave your home. Of course, when you are at your home, it's very, very different. It's like when you are at your house or in your friend's house. What you feel when you come back to your house? Yes, I'm free. I'm relaxed. Huh? It's the same. So, of course, I hope to go back to Syria to feel this home. But also, I love the places where I live. Of course, when the situation will be good, I will go back. And also, I'm work for the future with the children, which are the future of Syria. And also the young adults, they are the future of Syria. I think a lot of Syrians will go back to Syria and build a new Syria. And she wants to be a sun to give the light to the flowers and the trees. He wants to be a dinosaur. To be big. مو مشكلة هلا بنلزقه نحطهم. And this is the dream book. I stopped planning and I think it's better. يعني I am working. I'm here now in Istanbul. As Syrian person, you cannot guess what will happen in the future. But I try to live now and work. What will happen, will happen. I don't think. I wish to stay in Istanbul, not to go to Europe as example. Yani I prefer Istanbul more than Europe, but I don't know what will happen. So I'm working and I'm enjoying Istanbul. Lucky I have job and I have work and just working. My new books and my workshops here. بعد أن لعب الأطفال ذهبوا إلى بيوتهم ليناموا. يلا ننام. صباح الخير. صباح الخير. توتة توتة خلصت الحتوتة. حلوة ولا فتفوتة؟
حلوة.
نقرأ قصة تانية؟
اقرأي هاي جديدة.
Night come and darkness and all the children went to her house to sleep. And we say in Arabic توتة توتة خلصت الحتوتة.